Today I'm changing the spark plugs on a BMW 3 Series E46. This one is a 2002 325 Ci. So it's a 2.5 liter motor and straight 6. So all the cylinders sit straight down all the way underneath that cabin air filter housing. So it's a pretty simple process. The tools you need are a 3/8 ratchet, then an extension at least 6 inches, and then you need a 10mm socket, and also a 5/8 for the spark plug. It's better to have a 5/8 spark plug socket. Then it has a rubber inside it. Some of them has a magnet, so that it's easy to pull out those plugs. On other Japanese cars, the cylinders aren't too deep, but looks like in this one is a bit deeper than the other Japanese cars, so you might want to get a long extension. So first of all, what you need to do is remove the crankcase cap. Then, as you can see, this little covers are on there. Usually he's on here. I already removed it, so you just gently pry them open with a flathead. And there's one here and there's one there. You probably can see, yeah. So usually what people do is take that whole assembly off the cabin air filter. So I thought of not taking it off and giving it a try from here, because although I know that 2 of the cylinders are way back there, but if I can get that extension to work, then I might not have to, but let's see how it goes. So this is 10mm. I already loosened it up, so I just want to go ahead and take it off with this. So taking it out, putting it aside, and then this just comes right up. Set it aside safely, and then first thing you want to do is put this cap back on. You don't want anything to go in there, especially any tools. Then pretty much it's a mess. So as you can see, there are all the coils in there. These are the original coils, the BMW coils. So I already took the first one out. It's pretty simple. So like on this one, the next one has you see those 2 10mm bolts, and you just have to take them off with that same socket you got. Then all you have to do is pry this thing open, the little flathead, up and down, all around, and then just simply it comes off. Don't pull it too hard, just pull it enough to loosen that plug up. The plug is back here, so you can see it's just gonna easily disconnect. You don't have to pull it too hard. So now you just have to, after you of course you remove those bolts, you just gently pull them out. Sometimes they are a little hard to get out if they're inside for a long time, so I had to pull this one a bit harsh, like really. But all you want to do is tug it back and forth, and slowly. Don't want to hurry it up. So then once you do that, you can use this 5/8 spark plug socket. Just put it in there and just remove it. Let's see, let me remove the that those 10 millimeters first, at least, to give you an idea on this one. Just get the ratchet. It's really hard to do it in one hand, but just do it once so that you know how to do it. It's not yet loose. Let's see. Come on. Takes a bit of time, so bear with me. There you go, it's out. You always want to do it one by one, so that way you don't lose that screw in that first cylinder, because that is there is a very big possibility of that happening, so you don't want to take that risk. So tug it back and forth. There you go. That's it. Looks to be in good shape. I don't have any misfire or anything, so I'm not gonna bother changing this. These are pretty expensive. The cheapest one I saw was probably $60 and still on sale. So anyway, so let's put the socket in there. Push it a little so that you know it's set in there. Then go ahead, use the ratchet. The first one was really hard to remove. I don't know how hard this one will be. It's really hard to do it when you don't have both hands on it. Anyway, let's try it from here. It's going to be really hard. Anyway, once you know how to do it, so do that, then the plug comes out nice and easy. And I can show you the plug I have here. Left it somewhere. Oh, right there. You wanna see this plug? I was shocked when I saw it. They're probably the original plugs, I'm not sure. It's hard to focus on it right now. Trying my best. These are those BMW original NGKs +4. I'm assuming it's similar to those. You can see that BKR6EQUP. Those are the plugs you can find in anywhere if you find with that code, and those will be the NGK laser platinums for this car. So I was kind of surprised that they don't use those Bosch plugs. They use this ones. Anyway, for me, I'm going with the Bosch Platinum 4 +4. So These are good plugs. These are made in Germany, so you can, I guess, put them in. It depends on you. I would recommend to go with the exact replacement with those NGKs, but it's up to people what they want to put. Though this cost almost double than that one, so might want to go with I'm not keeping this car for a long time, so I'm just gonna go with the Bosch, see how it works, and that's about it. And if you really have to, you can go ahead easily remove this cap, those screws, and then remove it. There should be 3 or 4 screws at the back. Easily with a screwdriver you can take the whole assembly off, and make sure you have to disconnect its wire housing. I am not going to do it at the moment, but if I need to access those, if it gets difficult, then I'll remove it. Anyway, good luck with it, and just follow the instruction. It should be good. Thanks for watching.